Today I'm going to show you how to install plugin from Figma. On the list of plugins that most users use frequently while designing. So I have 18 lists of them here. We have a splash where you can easily download pictures to your design. We have palettes to actually arrange colors. We have content rule that gives you several pictures that you can use for avatar. We have color contrast checker that is used to check to balance the colors of your design. We have Iconify where you can get icons, Fig Motion where you can actually animate your designs. We have Mockup Studio where you generate mockups. We have Coder Figma, Lead Reader. Lead Reader allows you to arrange your objects. You have table paste that allows you to paste items that are copied into tables. We have movie poster and others like that. So to install plugin from or in Figma, what you actually need to do is right click. You can actually come to menu here, and this is plugin. Then you move down to where you see manage plugin or browse plugin in the community. This list of plugins you're seeing are the ones that I've already installed on my own Figma. So to install this plugin, you can actually go to community, come to this menu here, and plugin, then navigate to the community or manage plugin. When you choose manage plugin, you actually want to see the plugins you are having already in your Figma, or you can actually edit or delete plugin from there. So this is one way of getting to plugin community. You can also right click from anywhere on your Canva, then navigate to where you can actually install Figma plugin, or you can hold control and press forward slash to bring out the search box, which allows you to search any items or any object or plugin or anything on the Figma. So you can actually type to search community, for example. Community. This is browse plugin community in community, and you click it, then the community opens up. You can actually search any plugin from here. For example, you need to install on Splash. So on the community from the upper bar here, or you search from the search bar that is provided within the page. So I'll do my search from here, and I'll say on Splash. So this is on Splash. All what you see here are designs. You can actually come back to this place where you have plugin and click on the plugin. By clicking, then you see the list of plugins that relate to on Splash. So these plugins, I have already installed them. I've already installed these plugins, so I don't need to install any plugin again. I can, let me say Iconify again. This is Iconify, so I can install Iconify. But the easiest way to know the most important plugin that most users use is that when you search a plugin, just check the number of people that have installed it, or you click on this install to like sort it by the number of people who have actually installed the plugin, and you see the highest number of people that install it will tell you how important the plugin is. So like this is 4.8k. That's 4,800 people have installed this, and I have this for 666,000 people have already installed and using this. You can actually read about any plugin from internet. So this has been installed already. So I can search for any other plugin again. Palette, for example. Palette, we have image palettes. This image palette will allow you to extract colors from any selected image. So let me sort by number of people that have installed it. So we have 160k. This is another palette that generates 5 colors from picture. We have 104,000 users using it. These has already been installed. So others I don't need them. This is the one I need. So after installing any plugin, you can actually go back to your Figma design and search for the plugin installed. So for example, I will hold on my control again and press forward slash to search any plugin. So I just install, let's say I just installed any like uh, palette. So this is image palette. I can actually generate colors from any selected images, or you can actually right click and go to plugin. These are the list of the plugin I have installed. So your own will also appear here. So that's actually how to install plugin from Figma. Thank you very much for watching.